Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can add Chrome icon to Android home screen. So to start, make sure that the Google Chrome browser is downloaded and installed on your device. Next, open either the app drawer or the app search and look for Google Chrome. I'll use the app search since it is a more generic way, which should work for pretty much everyone. Anyway, once the Chrome icon is found in the search, touch and hold edit and drag it to your home screen just like that. Drag it out of bounds of the actual search interface, so the interface will switch to home screen layout or the home screen view, and then just simply choose a position for your icon to be at or to stay at, and that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.